welcome back to another vlog. I don't have that much going on today, but I thought we could do a couple of things. One of them being testing out my new DJI Mini Mic 2. Yeah, so I thought I could do a bit of a review on it, tell you a bit about my thoughts on it. And I also thought it would be quite nice to do some baking. Got some bananas here that are obviously looking past their best, and I thought it would be a nice idea to make banana loaf. Later on I've also got a mouse and a keyboard arriving. I can do a bit of an unboxing and kind of show you what I've ordered, I guess. But let's crack on and make this banana bread because I'm in the mood for a cup of tea and a slice of banana loaf. So I've just popped on my apron to start baking. But I think what I want to do just quickly is do this DJI Mini Mic thing. Delivery on this was really quick. It came in this box. It comes in this pouch, which I really like. It's a nice small pouch that can fit in your bag. And there's a few bits in here actually. The charging dock, the clip that attaches to the actual mic. There's a windscreen. There's an extra cover for it. And here is the mic itself with the magnet on the back. The first thing I noticed straight away with this is that it's quite plasticky feeling, and I'm not sure that I like that, but the proof is in the pudding. So, you know, if it records well and it's good quality audio, then I can't complain. The way that you change over the cover is you just remove this, and again it all attaches magnetically, and then there you go. I think this is recording audio, but I'm just going to check. It is recording, which is good. Okay, so I'm pretty sure we've got all the ingredients here. So we've got granulated sugar, plain flour, we've got some chocolate chips, some vanilla extract or vanilla flavouring. We've got some baking soda, ground cinnamon, we've got eggs. The recipe calls for 1 large egg. I've only got a medium size one though, so hopefully that's okay. And then 3 bananas. Doesn't look like I mixed too well on the bottom. I see clumps of cinnamon, which isn't good. Oh well. And here is how it's looking. It should just look like your normal cake batter, but I'm gonna clear up now because there's now lots of washing up to do. The joys of baking. Hopefully by that time I might have a delivery. After all that baking, I have worked up an appetite, so I'm going to have some sourdough toast, but I'm going to have sardine paste on it. This is from Portugal, and it is delicious. It doesn't look the most appetizing. The banana loaf is now ready to come out of the oven, so I'm going to take it out of the oven and maybe let it rest for like 20 minutes or so, 15-20 minutes, but I do just need to check that it's cooked all the way through, so I'm going to quickly do that with a knife. And yep, that is absolutely fine. So I'm just going to let it rest. So I'm now going to attempt to remove this and just pop it on the rack here, which will just stop the bottom of the cake from going soggy, because if I leave it in the tin, it's likely to just get warm and moisture will just make the bottom of it really soggy. So we want to avoid that, so we've got to get it out of here. This is mainly why I wanted to just use the grease-proof paper, because it should be as simple as lifting it out. Yeah, can you see the moisture in there? Like if you leave it, it will just end up becoming a wet, soggy cake, and no one wants that. I'm just peeling all of this back. All I need to do now is just let it rest for about an hour, then I can eat it. I would imagine this will be my dessert. Let's have a quick conversation about this mic. I actually really like it. At first I didn't really understand why it was referred to or why it was named Mini, because it doesn't look any smaller than the Mic 3. I think it's a pretty good mic. I've listened back to the recordings and I'm pretty happy with the quality. I don't know why, but I thought the plastic build of it would make it sound lower quality, but it doesn't. It really doesn't. So I'm pretty pleased with that. I still really like this mic. I just think it's a shame that it weighs so much, because whenever I clip it to an item of clothing or whenever I even use the magnet, I can always see my shirts just, you know, they look like they're being really weighed down or pulled down by this mic. So yeah, I really like it. I'm really happy with it. My only gripe is the plasticness of it, but I get it. You know, if you're looking for something that's a bit more, I guess, higher quality, then there are other options. And I do like the fact that the front is interchangeable, and I believe you can get other colours as well. Overall, I'm really happy with it, and I can see myself really using both. So I've got my parcel finally. It is 8:30. The delivery slot was like 2:30 till 4:30, something like that, but I'm not complaining because I've received it. Also, side note, I realised that I'm wearing the same t-shirt as I did last weekend, which is a bit embarrassing considering this will probably be the next vlog that I upload after that. So, and that was when I was at the antique shop. But let's get this box opened because I'm very excited. Excuse the lighting, we'll just have to work with it for now. This is what is in the parcel. So we've got the Yunzi E87 mechanical keyboard, which looks like this, and we've got this mouse as well. This is going to be my setup, which I'm really happy about. I really like it, and I feel like video editing is going to be so much easier than just using my laptop, especially because of my neck injury. I feel like it's just going to make things so much easier. And what I will look to do is, because obviously these keys here are for Windows, I'm going to use these ones to change round for the Mac keys. So this is a really good brand to buy if you're looking for a keyboard that works kind of seamlessly with Mac. That, I think, is more than enough excitement for one day. It's been a very productive day, which I'm always chuffed to say, because sometimes you do have those days where you just feel like you've slobbed about, and today has not been one of those days. So yeah, I think I'm going to just figure out how I can change those keys over on the keyboard and then continue doing some editing. It's a couple of days later from where I last left off, and I've got a huge parcel to open, and I thought we could do it together. I thought we could do it together because it should be my cervical pillow. I have unfortunately really hurt my neck again. I thought, right, I'm going to invest in a good pillow that will support my neck if I'm laying on my back and my side, because I am a side sleeper, but I have been trying to train myself to sleep on my back. It's from a brand called Doses or Doses, spelled D-O-S-A-Z-E. It's got like a groove in the middle there. It looks pretty good, so I'm gonna start using it tonight and just see if that makes any kind of a difference. I do feel like for a little while I've been needing new pillows because they're just not as like plump as they used to be. The support just isn't there. So you get the pillow, and you also get this leaflet that just tells you a bit about the pillow itself. I did also have a consultation with a coach yesterday to have like coaching in the gym with both my training and nutrition, and I've gone ahead with it. So we're just at the stage where she's kind of working out my plan and everything. Looking forward to it, but I'm also nervous. So I don't know why, but I think it's a good kind of nervousness. I kind of officially start in a couple of weeks' time, so I'm hoping that my neck will be okay by then. I'm also hoping to get a physio appointment as well. So I'm just, you know, I'm hoping that everything will fall into place before kind of that all starts. I haven't vlogged very much today, but my skiathos vlog went up today. So yeah, I'm hoping that everyone who's watched it has enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun making it, and yeah, we obviously had a great time on the holiday too. So, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button and consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.